Uche Mefo, who deputy leader, IPOB, Owanine Maka. The world the Kano. By the way, Ambo, Aloy, Chimako, Muawo, Okipe, Nkepuriche, the indigenous people of Biafra, and Martin Amdekano. Nina Jumaka, Uche Mefo. Ihe a na-emekịta ọ ihe mgbagwoju anya nke a nke bụ eziokwu mana ịma na iri nwanne na nwanne na-enwe obere nghọtahie. IPOB abụrụ organization dị iche na nke bụ na ama nwe nghọtahie once in a while. So enwere ihe ndị bekee na-akpọ minor disagreement in communication policy. Radio Biafra ọ ga-agbazi mkpe na-abụọ mkpe na-atọ. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu bụ the supreme leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. So onye ọbụla bụ onye IPOB wụrụ bụ okwere kwesie ike, including Uche Mefo, kwesịrị ige ntị ọ ka o si wee dị. Onye directive ahụ onye otu ahụ ka o kwesịrị ịdị onye nwabụ leader. Enwere onye ọzọ bụ no leader. Ada abụrụ two captains in one ship.
Mana ya bụ Mefo kwugasịrị ọtụtụ ihe Nnamdi Kanu mere dịka imechi Radio Biafra. Nsị Mefo kwuru na Nnamdi Kanu mechiri the Radio Biafra. Mana anyị chọrọ iju onwe ihe mere Nnamdi Kanu ji weje mepe ọzọ mechie nke dịbụ adị.
Ị nụrụ na Nnamdi Kanu kwuru ya nwakwuru ndị IPOB kwuokwa ịma ndị ekwu na nke m na mbọ lọya kwuru ha ga-emepe Radio Biafra na Katsina. Enwere oge the communication channel in terms of radio or TV IPOB ga-adị monolithic. Ọzọ na Nnamdi Kanu chekichara for technical reasons or some other reasons o mepe Biafra community radio wee tụkwasị ya n'elu Radio Biafra nke na-emekwa exist before or ekwo Radio Biafra down mepe Biafra community radio. Ife ọbụla ọ sọrọ ya ọkụ ọnụ ya nụnụ oke ife dị na ya bụ ndị anụghị nọ kịta mụnwa nọ. Anyị nwechara ụmụ ihe social media nwee Radio Biafra bụ social media radio nwe passport. Mmadụ ịbụọ na-eji paswọọdụ m nkịta nwunye m amụrụ paswọọdụ m na ife ọbụla gbasara ihe social media ụmụ ha amaghị ya. Ibi na enwere ndị na-etinye paswọọdụ na fonu ha ịtụtụ fonu nye ma ihe izu nwa ya sọsọ okwu onye kwesịrị iji paswọọdụ. Ọ bụrụ na mmadụ na-abụ jibu paswọọdụ Radio Biafra ọ dịrọ mma. Nnamdi Kanu is ultimately responsible for ihe ọbụla ekwu na Radio Biafra, including agba Radio Biafra akwụkwọ amara onye kwuru nke okwu.
Mefo si na nyanwa na onwe na-feel sidelined and that now Oja fly his own new radio, which is called Biafra Human Rights Radio. Can you una ga nabati ko una ga si akwa to that radio?
Mana ada abu mmadụ na more for restoration of Biafra. Mana ọbọsọ IPOB nọ na-egwu enwe ndị a na-akpọ stop when that na-akpọ Biafran customary government when that na-akpọ nka ma ndị a na-akpọ tilie nke a na-akpọ tilie na ya. So ọ bụrụ na Mefo ka the committed restoration of Biafra to my client IPOB and Nnamdi Kanu were committed or from another side where banye ajanachi.
Okay.
So what I'm trying to say is this: all the people that have been feeding fat with IPOB money, I mean, starting from Uche, Okafor, Mefo, I'm going to give details to Biafrans how you people have been squandering our money, growing fat, enjoying yourself. Why people like me are on the ground suffering, facing tear gas, facing bullets, facing security, Nigeria security squad. People who are working are here suffering. Those who are doing nothing are there enjoying, and they have the effronteries because they are wearing the best shoes, wearing the best clothes, living in a good apartment. I don't want to answer any call. No, please, whoever that is calling me now should stop calling me at this time. At this time, nobody should beg me. Nobody should tell me to calm down. Since Mazi Uche Mefo have made Mazi Nnamdi Kanu his duty of insult, I have taken it upon myself to tell the world who he is. I don't know who is calling. He's from London. Whoever is calling me from London, +44, please do not call me now. I cannot call now. I cannot stop anything. I must continue and I must say things the way it is. Monkey dey walk, babu dey chop. Monkey dey walk and babu dey chop. Monkey is walking and baboon is enjoying. And the same baboon that is enjoying have the effronteries to come out to tag the hand that fed them. Liars. It is not yet time. Oh, let me just tell you people the truth. It's not yet time. The expose is going to send some people to, in fact, I don't know if I say heart attack, maybe I am kind with the word heart attack. It's going to send them to oblivion. My expose or you, Mefo, and your clique, all of you put together, I have your list. I know how much you people have been squandering, how much you have been making from this struggle. You'll be surprised how I get to know it. Hi, oh God. Before you choose to insult Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, did you ever remember there are people like Did you remember? Somebody like me is somewhere. I may not be known too big. I may not be one of the whatever leaders, whatever you call it, deputy or whatever. But by the time I am done with Uche Mefo, you are watching this program live. Either you are watching direct with your account or you are watching with a pseudo account. But I want you to know, by the time I'm done with you, you will be surprised. You will be saying, how did he get all this information? Nde buzo buzi ndi bazu. Uwa chiga. Abapula jom mada, abapula jom muo. It is time for us to begin to count what we have done in this struggle. It is time for us to begin to count our woes and our efforts in this struggle. It is time we begin to know those people who are into this struggle for money making, for wearing designer shoes, designer clothes, for living large, those who are earning salary. It is time for us to know. I am going to bring it bit by bit. If it is going to take me 1 month to make sure that I do justice, to tell the people who Uche Mefo is, the only person that can speak to me at this point in time and I will listen is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. My father cannot tell me President to stop, I will stop. Never. My mother cannot tell me President to stop, I will stop. Never. I will never. It is only Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that has the power, the authority, the impetus to tell me, my son, is enough. Then I will listen. If not, all of you that have been ganging up in the DOS, ganging up front and back from America to London, from America to London, doing all sorts of nonsense, all the activities, actually, Yanaka, I have it. That means you can run, but you cannot hide. That I was keeping quiet for a very long time, suffering down here with a lot of people who came back from abroad who are suffering with me, making sure that Biafra is restored, because our primary interest is to make sure that Biafra is restored, not to grow fat, not to earn salary, not to be eating, not to be enjoying ourselves, then coming to radio and be sleeping day in day out, blabbing nonsense. No, it is time for us to count. Before the counting begin, I just want to build my preamble so that you guys will know where this man is coming from. All the IPOB who have been helping me since I joined this struggle, I have their names in details. If you have sent me 1 naira, I have it written somewhere. If you have sent me 50 kobo, I have it written somewhere. And I always say it on my live broadcast that so person give me money and I appreciate that person. That is why I'm different. So my record is clean. My record is very, very, very clean. As long as IPOB finance is concerned, I have never touched IPOB money. Apart from my leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, my living hero, who have been there for me, and some few IPOB members who have been there for me, I have never in any way swindled anybody or taken money from anybody in this struggle, all in the name of we are doing struggle. I have never. If I have done it, please come out and expose me. It is time for exposure. Expose. Time is now. But like I said, I am doing this video directly from my account, and that expose is going to be a 2 to 3 hours non-stop expose. Only one person can tell me say apart from that one person, I cannot listen to. All of you seducers, all of you daughters and sons of Jezebel, pretending like freedom fighters, growing fat from the wealth of those who are suffering on the ground, growing fat, making too much money, enjoying themselves with their family, living in a very good apartment while some people are living in the bush, and you guys have the effrontery to come and challenge the man that made you. Hey, Chineke nna bi n'eluigwe, Chineke nna bi n'eluigwe. Ọ ga-adị kpọkpọ jenu dee na mpempe akwụkwọ kwuo na mmụọ kwuru unu niile starting from Uche Mefo is the oga patapata of them all. I know that wherever Iranya is now watching this video, he will be happy. Wherever Omiomio is now watching this video, he will be happy. Imam Nezu, all of them will be happy. They will say yes. Expose him. We were talking about him before. You people are shading him. Nobody was shading him. The only truth is that they wanted to intimidate him, and our leader said no, that such intimidation will not hold ground. But I will tell you people things that you need to know. So I repeat again, the date for the expose is coming very shortly. I will give you the date, and that very day Gadio. In as much as Mefo is busy writing rubbish on Facebook, posting, I will be busy digging up more facts and figures of all his activities in IPOB as the deputy director of Radio Biafra and deputy to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in the movement. Mefo, I don't buy your case. Now my case now, that case is my case. That is why I beg Mazi Nnamdi Kanu not to respond to you, because Ipeka, forget about your size. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu talking about keeping record of all our activities since 2012 to this month. Let me start from 2012, because 2012 is the active, when IPOB under Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is active. I mean active, seen by the world from 2012 up to this moment. Therefore, I have not called you saboteur. Anybody can call you any name they want, but anything I call you, I will have proof to that, and I will challenge you to call me a name and bring a proof before me and before the world. I cannot sleep, I cannot relax, never, until I make sure that Uche Mefo nachiga kwareba hisi pota. that hole where you came out from, where you are suffering, where you had nothing, where you don't even have a paper. The way you move from the day you left Nigeria to Europe, how you take waka until you get to London where you are, how you get your paper, and who gave you the paper, how you, everything that you have done. Therefore, I am going to say it bit by bit by bit by bit. I will let people know who you are, who you truly are. Not just call. I am not in the league of those that come and say, hey, you are a saboteur, you are a this, you are a that. I don't do all those shit. I don't. Now you have made yourself talk of the town. Everybody is talking about Uchenefo. Everybody is talking about Uchenefo. The enemies are talking about Uchenefo. Those who are rekindled with the fire of freedom fighting are also talking about you. But me, I am talking about you with truth and fact and figures. Before me here, Ejimianakam. There are things that you cannot do. There are things that you can do. The number one thing that you cannot do in this life is to bite the finger that fed you. Any day you do that, you are finished. Any day I feel like I am contented working under Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, serving Biafra under Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that I am okay, or I am due. What will I do? I will just do what? Step aside. Go and relax. If I feel like I don't want to do the struggle again, which will never happen, I will just go and sit down. I will relax. I will rest my head. I will say, thank you, God. But any day you people hear me begin to say, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu head is like this, his leg is like that, he did this, he did that. Know you that it is not me saying that. That is someone else who looks like me. Because the president that all of you know can never go contrary to the oath that he took. Therefore, having listened to your Zoom discussion, gossip and lies again, I remember you saying that command and control, that command and control, that word command and control have been misused, that is not in play anymore. But I want you to know that the same command and control, you have done a lot of evil in this struggle. Therefore, I know you are watching. As you are watching, I'm not in a haste. All of you that have gathered to attack Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, to paint him evil, to paint him the color that doesn't even exist in his lineage, I am here. All of you people, I will be mentioning your name. When you get what I'm going to in the struggle. There are people you don't joke with in this struggle. I am one of them. There are people you don't joke in this struggle. I am one of them. You can't joke with me in this struggle, because this struggle is my life. And Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the living, should I say, the savior that I am seeing. God is the number one supreme savior. The Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the savior in human flesh that I am seeing. Therefore, while you are trying to fight with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, get ready to fight with me and my ancestors. Idu so child whom one and no more some, if you know so million tomorrow. Abum 1 million, in 1 million. I have served in so many capacity in this struggle, and I have kept my diary clean. I have served in so many capacity, which I may not mention here, and I have kept my record very, very clean. I challenge any coordinator to come and say, President, you do this, you came, you collect money, you do all the days that I work for IPOB as the Auditor General in Biafra land as a whole, both in Nigeria. I went round, my record was clean, pure. Therefore, I want to start from asking some few questions, and I want Biafrans to begin to meditate over these questions. Why the food that I am cooking for Mefo we done? mefo nwere ndị na-eshiri gị ị ga-eriju afọ you go chop belly full. Go to your radio, start broadcasting. There is nothing you can say about me. Onwere ihe nwere ike ikwu maka mgbuge nwa bụ mefo. Nothing. Onwe ihe go bụ uche mefo nwere ike ikwu about mụ bụ Maazị Okpala Chukwu bụ ike m nwere nothing. Ịma nchụkwanụ maka ịchọ m ịda. Ịtara ya m nwụọ. If you try me you go die. Maka na Chukwu bụ ike m. Chukwu bụ ike m. God is my strength. I have no other power that I boast of apart from God, which is my strength. So if you try me, you die. Ebe ọ bụla ị kpọrọ afa m, ị ga-anwụ. Maka ihe na-ekwu maka gị bụ eziokwu. Ebe ị na-echere anya lalụcha ụla binie wee sị na Nnamdi Kanu ka ị ga-apụta ka ịkpụtọọ ebe mmadụ dị ka m nọ ọma mme Biafrans ọma mme. Mana achọrọ m ka m jụọ ụmụ Biafra ajụjụ. In a movement, every freedom fighter na-eri mperi. Every freedom fighter that I know in this war, you must suffer for one thing or the other. Something must go out of your body, out of your flesh. Something, you must lose something that is very, very dear to you. Something that is very, very dear to you as a freedom fighter. Yes. And Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a true example of a good example of a true freedom fighter. You lost your mother, you lost your father, and you lost a sister. You lost your father, your the kingdom where you are, the place where the land of your ancestors, your ancestral home, was invaded by Janjaweed. It's a sacrilege. Such a thing cannot happen in the north. No army or police can invade the palace of Emir of Bandu or Salama of Sokoto or Emir of Kano or whatever. No police, no army can do that. But the Janjaweed police and army invaded the home of our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. A sacrilege. A royal priesthood. They shot no less than 1,500 and subtraction bullets. If you go to the compound, you see the holes. It's there. People were killed. People were massacred. About 28 men fell on the line of duty. I was there. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have lost everything. Nothing remained. He went to prison. He served for 2 years plus. He doesn't have his comfort zone. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a wanted person in this country. Those are the criteria of a true freedom fighter. It's either you are in the grave, you are in exile, or you are in prison. I am calling you. I haven't come with your expose. I just want to begin to ask people. I want to prepare the mind of people to begin to reason, to know your contribution toward this struggle, because by calculation I have worked in this struggle more than you. Myself not here, more not here. I have worked in this struggle more than Goa Buche before. I was with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from 2012 till he went to prison. I was with him till he came out of the prison. I was with him. Everywhere he goes, I was there. In the palace, I was there. When he is on the move, I am there. Anywhere he goes, I was standing right before him. If there was going to be any shock during those days we are going on Laris and everything, I would have been the first person to receive bullets. Which before, have you received tear gas smell of Nigerian military or police? Have you perceived the tear gas, only tear gas? Donald Trump rally, I was there in Iguacha. Men were falling left and right and center. Tear gas everywhere. These are the men that were on the ground working, fighting for the liberation of our nation. When Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is moving, I'm in the front car. I'm in the front seat. Sometimes I'm at the back. When he get down, I am always by his side. Go and watch the video. Mefo, go and watch the video. Check Owerri. Check Omoba. Check Enugu. Check Aba. Then go to Ebonyi. All these things are on WhatsApp. Sorry, it's on YouTube. Type on YouTube. In this place. Even in Iguacha, people. Go and check the history. I was there 247 with him. I promised him that I was going to live. I'm going to walk with him. If need be, I will die with him. Like I said, my topic says it is time for us to begin to do what? To count what we have contributed to the struggle so far. It is time. We must count it so that we begin to know those who are there splashing our money, eating our money and growing fat in the name of being a deputy. While we that were on the ground fighting and protecting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we are here suffering. And you may fall. You open your mouth to speak to the men that have been on the ground since 2014 to 2015 to tell them that you don't even know them. But if you cook a jugona come, that food that I'm cooking for you is about to dawn. Very soon, okay, my perfect here. When ọbụrụ gas kan ga-eji kụnyere gị ya, shovel kan ga-eji na mmara na manyere gị mepe ọnụ gị otu ahụ dị ọka si dị hot na-ekunye gị ya n'ọnụ na-eri ya as dị hot. Achọrọ m ịma. You open your mouth before when our men, those that came back from Senegal, they cannot get hold of our leader because our leader was in the prison. Oh God. Hi, Hi, these guys were hungry. Biafra, listen to me. Listen and listen attentively. I want you to share this program, share this video, share it and share it and share it and share it extensively. Make it go viral. I don't care. I'm not putting any marks. Look at it. This is me talking. I'm not speaking in another person's face. Our leader was arrested. He was in the prison in 2016. The men that have been on the ground protecting Biafra land were hungry. They have no food to eat. Hey, they called you Mazi Uche Mefo. They told you, sir, we are hungry. Do something for us. We need to buy food to eat. Biafrans, even a women, that very day this food got ready for Uche Mefo. When the Namati and Namoye no ni okum hopu no hubu here imano sirike. Makachukwu. Uche Mefo, you open your mouth to tell them that you don't know them. That you don't know them. That you don't know the business they have with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Biafras, I want you to listen. Because when I come out speaking the way I do now, you know that I have been hurt so much and I've kept a lot inside me. I have kept a lot inside me. I have been wounded. I'm like a wounded lion, but I've been keeping calm, believing that things will get better. Not until you come out to come as Nnamdi Kanu, a liar. Now I am going to let the world to know you very well, so that we know if you are the liar or Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the liar. Please, those that know Uche Mefo, inbox him this video. I am not going to do it to him. I'm not going to do it by myself. You guys should inbox it to him. If he's not watching live, make sure he gets it. Man was on the ground protecting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. When Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is moving, you see platinum of followers. Platinum of followers. Almost 3,000 people at a time is going with this one man. Uche Mefo, come back to Nigeria. Let me see if you can have up to 5 people that will follow you. You cannot come. You have never came. And they are not going to come. Uche Mefo. Uche Mefo. Uche Mefo. You open your mouth, your gutter, to tell my men, our men, the gallant soldiers on the ground, that you don't know their business with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You don't know them. They should stop disturbing you. And you claim to be a deputy. Biafrans, listen, oh, what I'm doing this evening is I am building a preamble. I'm preparing ground. I want to remind you before of the little things that they have done that is worth of condemning somebody. Number one, you do not give those guys hope. Because of this year attitude, about 8 of these men traveled back to Senegal because they were hungry. I am going to say it today. They went back to Senegal, 8 of them. 8 of them, Biafras, 8 of the guys that came back from Senegal that want to come and protect Biafra land went back because Uche Mefo frustrated them. Because our leader was not reachable. Guys were hungry. Guys were hungry. Very, very hungry. They need to feed because they left money making, came back to work on the ground. Then they came to Uche Mefo, say, Onyisi, Bikonu, Tilna Yego. Uche Mefo, there is nothing too big if you call our sister Nenia to say, Nenia, these boys that came back from Senegal that have been on the ground, please, can you just send them even if it's 200,000? It's not much. It's not much. How much is 200,000 compared to the money you are siphoning from IPOB pocket since 2012? 200k you can't give them. Even 100, even 50k you cannot give them. Instead, you told them that you don't know them, that you don't know the business they have with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They should stop disturbing you. Out of frustration, so many of them went back to Senegal. They said, if our deputy leader say that he cannot recognize or that he don't know the business we have with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, how can we be here? Because our leader is arrested, he's in the prison. How can we be here? They got frustrated. They went back. It is only the die-hard ones, those ones that are walking it up. Because among every soldiers, they are die-hard soldiers. Those die-hard soldiers are those that remain on the ground. That with or without Uche Mefo sending them money, with or without Uche Mefo acknowledging their presence, with or without Uche Mefo doing anything in support of whatever that is the reason why they are on the ground, that they will wait until Mazi Nnamdi Kanu come out. They will call me, say, Prince, see what is happening. Do you know that we asked this our deputy to help us with some fund? Our deputy say that he doesn't know us. He don't know what the business we have with Mazi Nnamdi. Uche Mefo say, if I know maka Chineke na obona yen no kubola ase can happen for Biafra. If what I'm saying about Uche Mefo is a lie, let me not see Biafra. That is the oath that I'm taking this night. You guys should know how wicked this man is. Uche Mefo, Ibra wicked. Ekwensu kagimma. Akwesa Nnamdi Kanu go me ase. You say that our leader is a liar. Don't worry. It is not yet time to open more books of your activities. For you to open your mouth and tell those men that you don't know them, that you don't know the business they have with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I counted it for you as number 1 error. And I did not even ask you about it. I did not tell you anything about it. I kept quiet. I kept consoling these people, telling them to calm down, to relax, that all of you know that if our leader is out, you guys will not be hungry. We all were praying. Uche Mefo, do you know those guys that each time Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is going to prison, that they used to go and borrow money and go to, each time he's going to court, they will borrow money, go to the court and protest and face life bullet and tear gas. Uche Mefo, I want people to begin to analyze your deputyship of 8 years, what you have done, what you have achieved, your contributions, you are in and you are out. I want people to begin to analyze it, because there are qualities of a deputy. A deputy means next to the leader. That means if the leader is not active or is not available, you become the leader automatically. But at the point in time that you were the leader of IPOB, let me just assume you were the leader of IPOB when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was in the prison. The boys that left Senegal and came down to Nigeria, to Biafra land, to defend our land, we are hungry. They call upon you, the leader. You say you don't know the business they have with our leader. Biafrans, you guys should balance this talk. And I swear again that if what I'm saying against Mazi Uchemefo is a lie, let me not see Biafra. But if it is true, let Uchemefo not see Biafra if he deny it. Quality of a true leader is inclusive of those people who are working with you when they need your help, when they seek for your attention, when they need something, they come to you, you listen to them. At least you listen to them. If there is no money, you can tell them, for now, calm down, there's no money. It's different for telling them that there's no money, they should calm down, than telling them that you don't know them. You don't know the business they have with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Hello, Biafrans, are you people with me? Are you guys listening to me? Are you with me? Like I said, that akwụkwọ Uchemefo juru eju ebe m nọ. Akwụkwọ ya juru eju n'ọnụ. I just want to touch this one. Now I come out of this particular one. Uchemefo, what have you done for IPOB as the deputy leader of IPOB? You have not come to Nigeria since 10 years. You have not. You were afraid of being arrested. You don't want to die, but you want to go to heaven. You don't want to take risk, but you assume the position of deputy leader of Indigenous people of Biafra. And all you do is to come and sit behind the laptop and you'll be talking. When you are talking, have you ever imagined how many people that listen to you when you are live? Have you? Whenever you are alive, I don't listen to you. Whenever you are live talking, I don't listen to you. The reason why I don't listen to you is not only because you are not making sense, not only because you are not called for the program, for the movement, but because you are wicked. For opening your mouth to say that you don't know those men, those gallant men that came from Senegal, fighting on the ground to protect Biafra land, that you don't know them, that you don't know the business they have with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Oh my God, Uchemefo, that very day you killed my respect for you. You destroyed it completely. But you were busy receiving salary. You were busy receiving, every month you receive salary. I will not mention the amount you are receiving for now, because when I will mention it, I will show proof. Like I said, now what give me go proof. Uchemefo na ụgwọ ọnwa in a ritual for you live big. IPOB gave you paper. This struggle gave you paper. Through this struggle, you got paper in United Kingdom. IPOB trained you. I don't want to go into all those areas. The area I want to touch is the quality of a deputy leader and his or her contribution. Those are the things I want to look into. What have you contributed to the struggle? Uchemefo, you are one of the problem we have in Anambra State today. Biafrans, Anambrarians, listen. Not one. You are the number one, not one of the problem. You are the biggest problem we have in Anambra State today. Uchemefo, you are the biggest problem we have in Anambra State today. Uchemefo, I have your info. I have the details of your activities in Anambra State. Those you are controlling with the command and control. Now you are saying that you are not, that command and control is not playing the game that you're supposed to play. For that, if you are not giving access to an app application, IPOB community radio, that you are out. Uchemefo, all this you are saying is like telling a small boy a story about tortoise. Ejibando Niefe, Mbediogo. I don't know how many of you who read this Mbediogo story. Mbeno Manamani guys, Ejimenka, Mbedu Simenu, Eda, Okune, story, Tales by Moonlight. And then I'm gonna call those things. Here call, yeah, Tales by Moonlight. Tales by Moonlight. Oh, people like me who knows you in and out will bring you out and wash you clean. I am cooking food for you and I will give it to you as it is hot and you go chop them. What have you done for the struggle? Mazin man can have lost father, lost mother, lost sister, lost everything. You have not even an ant have not beaten you in this struggle. An ant have not beaten you in this struggle. Do you know how many days I slept inside the bush myself? Do you know how many days I slept in a location where my life was 100% in danger because of the struggle? You don't know. Should I begin to tell you? Which are before? There are men who are on the ground working. Men who are in the diaspora working. There are men who are moving from one place to another, making sure that IPOB is moving, making sure that the international community is hearing our voice, making sure that everything that we want is in place. Which you may fall until you get that paper. The first travel with that paper was when IPOB and you yourself went to United Nations Assembly House in New York. That was when you broke the virginity of the paper you got through IPOB. Hi, President Mbalo. Hi, Prince, calm down. Prince, calm down. Don't go there. It's not yet time. It's not yet time. It's not yet time. Calm down, please. Hey, calm down. Calm down. Relax. Take it easy. Don't be speed. Don't take speed. Men were on the ground suffering, dying of hunger and starvation. Which before you are eating fat, receiving salary from IPOB, denying those men common food when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was unreachable. Which for this alone, I lost every respect and regard I had for you. Upon that, I was still respecting you somehow because our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu still acknowledge you as our deputy. Those respect I was giving you after you denied those guys of that access wasn't ascribed to you but ascribed to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because to him I owe every loyalty that you guys are seeing today, not you, Mefo. As the deputy of indigenous people of Biafra, Mefo, I want to ask you another question. Your business with Obeta, Barrister Obeta, you have not told Biafrans you are dealing with Obeta. You haven't. But I will not say it today. Like I said before, if you never like as they hot Biafra TV, now there I go talk am. I swear to my heavenly Father, I will not say it here. I won't say it here. I have my reasons, because that very day is going to be a long program, and I am going to set up all the apparatus, all the mechanism that I have to avoid any interruption when I am live. All your gang, all your clique from America to London, I know them by their names. All your activities with them, all your plan with them, I know them by dates. All the secret calls you are making, I know them. Before your activity, your involvement in some issues that I will not mention today is in my power. But when I will expose it, when I will open it, I believe that very day you have to eat enough so that you will not collapse. Makana anya na aga ugo na aga wanwam anya na nezamzam na elia. Ugo na aga wanwam anya na nezamzam na elia. All of you that are watching this program right now, I want you guys to ask Tuchemefo, what did you do? What was your crime that made Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to stop you from broadcasting on Radio Biafra? I want any one of you who didn't ask this question, and you come here try to pass judgment, trying to say, President, stop saying this. You are causing problem. Blah 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 blah. Uche Mefo is the one who brought this problem out. And whosoever that fetched an infected ant firewood, invited the lizard to his or her house. Nke pụtara na onye ọbụla gbara nkụ ahụhụ si ngwere bịa n'ihe olili. Uche Mefo ịgbago nkụ ahụhụ. I did not wake up one day, start talking about you, start trying to expose you, try to saying things that doesn't happen or whatever. No. You have committed sin against humanity. You have committed sin against myself, against God. I did not say anything. I did not do anything. I keep my calm. Still paying that respect that I owe Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. I was still giving it to you. I was still giving you your own portion. Until now that you have come out to say that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is a liar. So now you know that command and control is not working. But you have used command and control to remove a lot of IPOB coordinators, both in London and in Biafra land. On your own side, it's no longer working. Which one before? Biafrans, if you can't ask him what he did, then you are partial. Now, in the struggle, what has this man done? I am still asking myself, can you tell me from the ground this struggle? Can you form me? If not, to come to the radio station and start sleeping. Yes, nobody should hold me, nobody should beg me, nobody should tell me to calm down. No, I don't want to. I am not coming any down. We are going to dance in the market square. All of us, me and you, if I gonna go, people will watch us.